Yo, what's up? Live for the new collections. It's the new year. So, as you read from the title, why I don't post as often. Well, basically, if we're being completely honest, I'm just busy. That's really it. I've got quite a lot going on. I'm running around doing a lot of things. So, basically, it just meant that I was scaling back on all the other stuff I was doing. YouTube happened to be one of it. I tried not to just like stop, but I tried to cut back. So I went from like 3 days a week to 2, and then eventually I was just like, I'll just do 1. And there was a few times where I missed that 1 day as well, just because super busy, just didn't have the time to sit down and create. But you'll be pleased to know I'm gonna try and keep it at least once a week. So it's going to be every Wednesday, going to be dropping every Wednesday. I've already got some stuff planned already, so I'm going to be doing a What's in My Bag 2018, because basically I carry 1 bag for the whole year, but obviously I have a rotation. I'll get into all of that when I do the What's in My Bag vid. I'm also going to be doing a New Balance 1500 one, where I basically just show you my New Balance 1500 collection. I've also got my eye on a few new 1500s that I quite like the look of, including the hybrid one that they've just dropped, which is just sick. So I'm going to do a video on that separately, just talking about that as well. And I'll just be coming at you with a bunch of unboxings as well. I'm also going to try and maybe work in some of like the other bits and bobs that I do. So like I might show you guys my watch collection. I might even show you a few like, you know, clothing items like that I've picked up and things like that. So the channel will predominantly be sneakers. It always will be. That's where I live, and predominantly New Balance. One of the other reasons why I stopped posting as much as well is I just wasn't feeling a lot of the drops, like not New Balance per se, but just all the other sneakers. And I also decided last year I wasn't picking up any more Jordans, and to even go further, I've decided this year I'm not really picking up anything that isn't New Balance, and mostly I'll be picking up 1500s. Don't get me wrong, I'll still pick up the odd pair that isn't New Balance, but that's going to be few and far between. Yeah, one of the other reasons was I just wasn't feeling a lot of the drops. Don't get me wrong, there were some really dope drops, but I think this year I'm going to concentrate on picking up 1500s. I'll pick up the odd other thing in between, but I'm mostly going to be focusing on 1500s in general. So that's pretty much going to be a big part of this channel now. You're going to be seeing a lot more 1500s, just because it's just the sneaker I wear the most. So I'm going to try and focus a bit more on that, and you know, and you'll be getting more of that. So hopefully you guys are into that, because the 1500 is my bag, so I'll be doing a lot more of that. So that's pretty much what my 2018 is looking like. Loads more New Balance 1500s, loads more mixing it up. But the first video you're going to get next Wednesday is What's in My Bag 2018. I'll show you the bag I'll be predominantly carrying, and then a couple of weeks after that I'll show you my new backpack rotation, because I have taken a bunch of my bags, put it on Depop, getting rid of them, and I'm starting off the year with a whole new selection of bags. So it'll be dope to show you that. Boom, so there you go. You know, happy 2018. Thanks for chilling with me. If you're returning and you watch all the way to the end, big ups, thank you so much. It's always fun when we do this. If you stumbled across this and you're like, yo, I like this guy, then please hit that subscribe, because I'm going to be coming at you consistently 1 day a week from now on. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Follow me on Instagram, it's Llomotes. All links below. Follow the new collections on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, T_N_collections. We do fashion Monday to Friday, constantly bringing you that content. Extra vid, website. I'm going to put the subscribe right here. Hit it, hit it, hit it. And until next time, keep it sexy.